Hi everybody, it's Danny Paz here with the Paz team and your weekly market update. Want to let you know things are really heating up. We have 550 new homes that have come on the market just in the last 4 days. That's up from about 370 the week before and about 100 the week before that. So things are really starting to get going in the real estate market. As far as the local market is concerned, the same thing's been going on here. We got 11 new homes up on the hill, 8 new homes in Torrance area, and 12 in the beach cities. All that information is from the CRMLS again. As far as interest rates are concerned, I'm sure you know we're still at historic lows, although they have gone up by 0.1% in the last week, from 3.8 to 3.9%, but they're still great. That information is from bankrate.com. And lastly, our featured listing for the week, 1901 Palm Avenue, Manhattan Beach. This home is gorgeous. It's a Cape Cod style, 5-bedroom, 7-bathroom, almost 5,000 square feet of luxurious home. I'd love to show it to you. Of course, give me a call if you'd like to see that or any of these other new homes that just came on the market. 310-863-2267. Talk to you soon.